This part the guy, son of Fire King. I be getting to that money and I'm straight up when I'm stunting. I be going with the Holy Bible, yes, got that Holy Bible and I am a true disciple. I do not even need no rifle. I will kill you on the block, I kill your ass up with the shots. The Holy Bible be the shot. They will put you in a box. I'm aiming up for your top, but with them Holy Bible verses, I'm up in this thing and I do worse than the devil, cause the devil not on my level. Yes, I got up too much heat. I'm in this thing, you will get beat, and I am standing on my feet. I be a G, I be a beast. I'm in the lead, I'm real lethal. I will shoot you like a free throw. I will eat you like a Cheeto, potato chip buzzers, the free throw. I'm up in it like I go, how I go up with that flow. When I go in that for show, I get that money, get that dough. I am no joke, I got that flow, and I will rock, hit you with a rock. With them shots, I make your ass up straight up drop. I'm on the block, I'm really hot, and I will never be a cop. I'm really hot. Yes, so shout out to the cops. If you're doing your job right, then you is a hotter cop. Yes, I'm hotter how I block. Yes, I really how I shot. Yes, I really how I go. This is really how I rock, and I do not give a damn. I will pull up in a lamb up in the future. When the future hit, I'm gonna do it like I really do it. I get to it, I went through it. I will run you like some fluid. I be getting to that money. Yes, I'm getting straight up to it. Yeah, shoot like a movie. I'm shooting on the rain. I'm shooting on the rain. I hit you with the rain. I hit you with the pain. It's not no game. I stay hotter than a flame. They really know my name. That's how I go. That's how I go. That's how I go. There is but like a green light. I'm working on the green light, no red light. With the red life, I'm living there in your red light. The blue life, I'm living there like a crip. Ain't no blood. I'm not no crip or no blood, but I represent that. My goons in the back, yeah, I represent that. Yes, I'm getting to that money. Yes, I represent that. Haters really wanna act. I don't really represent that. Yes, I do just what I do, and I be really making moves. You try me like a lame, I hit your ass. I leave you flowing in the pool. This what I do. I'm strapped up to I leave your ass. I'm making moves, bigger moves. I'm to the lake of fire. Yes, you in it. I'm up here and I'm no fearing. I'm up in here, get it clearing like it's clear as I am going, and I'm here and I'm staring, and I'm never weak. I'm in this thing. I am that boy. I am that boy. And that boy, I blow your ass. I blow your ass up with that toy. Blow your ass up with that toy. I knock your top up with that toy. I'm in this thing. I be that boy. I am chilling with my boys. I am chilling with my group. I'm in this thing up like I'm Snoop. Yes, I'm in it like I go. I'm in it like I really flow. I am no joke. That's how I go. I got that flow. I'm on top. I leave you shot. Put you in a box. I got this game. It is on lock. Hit you with that red dot. Holy Bible be that red dot. I said that about a million times. I don't give a damn. You feel my mind. I'm in it like I get it. Yes, I'm straight up coming with it. Like I'm thinking like I get it. Like I get it. Like I got that weight. Hard wake up on the K. I hit that where I went paid. I'm in the jail. I run whoa. I'm there like really go. Like I really go. Like I really go. I hit your ass out on the floor. I'm in this thing. Smoking like some dope. I'm high as hell. I'm fire as hell. Never smoke no weed. I'm smoking no weed. I'm in this thing like yes indeed. I make it bleed. I put on your knees. I make it pray. I'm God, I'm very wise. I'm very high. I'm in this thing. I never die.